What's going on, everybody? I sent you guys a signal. As you can see, all my trades so far, they are in profit. I took only two trades today. I took the GBP JPY and the USD KD. The USD KD has not given me so much pips as yet, but I took it. As you can see, all my trades so far for the day are in profit. They are in profit. You see, the size of my account is $240, and already I'm at a $53 profit. Okay, not bad for the start, not bad for the day, not bad for the start of the week. Guys, I trust this helps you maybe see how simplified my approach to the market is. You don't need to stress, no need to worry. Just know who's who in the market and what they're capable of doing, and kill it from there. It is what it is. It's that simple, baby. It's that simple. It's that simple, man. I don't know if I'm gonna leave these trades to run for the day or I should close them now. As you see, that my other name is called Mr. Leverage. When I see something good, I leverage on it. You see, the USD is the only pair that has not been doing well, but nonetheless, I'm in profit. I mean, that's the end of the day. As long as the outcome is the income, man, we don't worry about a lot of stuff. Uh, we don't worry. We don't worry. Know who's who in the market and kill it from there. Look at that. A $240 account already sitting at $60 to $70 profit. Come on. Come on. It's that simple, man. It's that simple. Don't worry about a lot of stuff. It's that simple, baby.